Hi, welcome to my craft room. Today I wanted to show you how I made this cover for my journal. So I started with a regular book from the library that was discontinued. So I cut it apart, and I also got a Cheerios box, and I ran it around the corner of my table to make it kind of rounded. Now I'm going to take the cover of the book, and I'm going to put some PVC glue on that. And I'm going to take my Cheerios box and I'm going to glue it onto there. And I'm going to turn it over. Now I'm going to take some book binding tape. And I already have this measured, a little bit longer than the book. And I'm going to put it halfway on the book, halfway on the Cheerios box. And I'm going to fold it over. And that's the first part of your book. Now I'm going to do the other side of the book. Put some PVC glue on there. And I'm going to glue the other side to the book. I'm going to let that dry just a second, so we're going to pause. Now that that side is glued down pretty well, I'm going to take another piece of book binding tape, halfway on the book and halfway on the Cheerios box. And then I'm going to make sure I have enough to fold over the edges. Make sure that's nice and secure. So now you have the glue and the tape holding it together. Make sure that's glued really well. And then we're going to take some Mod Podge and we're going to put it on top of some book pages. And we're going to just go over the edge a little bit. On the edge and over the top. And we're going to cover the whole cereal box, front and back. Okay, so now we have the whole cereal box covered front and back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our digital download, and I took some distressing ink and I inked all around the edges. So now we're going to cover the back with Mod Podge. Make sure you get a good layer on there. And then we're just going to attach it to the book. Try to get it even. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our distressing ink and we're going to ink all around the book. And that's how we get our book. See, you can do it too. Thanks for watching.